Right, in this video today, I'm going to show you the easiest way I know to get a flue bang on so there's no white showing on the outside. Some tips today that no one actually asked for, but here you go. So pretty much you want to start by putting your elbow on the boiler. Take the little knob off on the inside so you can see through. Yeah, you might be able to tell by my voice, I'm not overly excited about doing boiler flues. I feel like it's the worst part of the job. Pop your pipe in, look through. That's the reason why I take the little knob off, so you can still see through. Mark the flue, so make sure the flue's all the way in, mark the flue. And then transfer that measurement, so we've got 200 there, to the back part of the flue. Yeah. And then I use the little thing that goes around it to mark the actual flue. I don't know what it's called, man. The weather protector thing, I don't know. Anyway, I've got this little box here, so I'll usually wedge the flue between it and I can just spin it. And then little hacksaw ting. It's actually just a reset blade. Anyway, pipe snug in on the inside, and then I wedge a little screwdriver behind. Wait for the sound. Yeah, there we go. Pop it in, give it a clean up. Pop that out, put the little ting back on, and that's it pretty much. So some tips that everyone was asking for, but they weren't really. But because it's social media, I'm going to pretend everyone was.